Well, well, well. Here we are again. Oh, that sun's bright. We are in El Centro, California. Just off the 111 over here. At the abandoned Shell truck stop. / restaurant, / scales, / tire shop, / mechanic shop, / truck wash, all the way in the back. Lots to see here. Let's go check it on out. Alright, so coming up in the first part of this, looks like we had the regular gas pumps or regular cars and trucks that could stop here. It doesn't look like it's been closed too long. All the panels are gone. Huge canopy, which you see at any gas station. But all the panels are gone. Pumps are still here. Looks kind of new still. I have no idea how long this place has been abandoned for, but it's definitely abandoned. It was all digital, old digital. So it's not that old. Alright, let's go check out some more. Alright, so right here we have the actual store / restaurant, I'm guessing. And this is the diesel island for all the semis, the trucks that would come through. Pretty freaking cool. All still just sitting here, rotting away. Crazy. Looks like we had a screw gun there. Pneumatic. Little spec mix. Here's the actual store and the restaurant. Looks probably there's probably some truck lounge / showers. Oh, there looks like there's a Subway here too at one time. Yep, definitely a Subway. And that's just the back area here. A lot of dead birds. Doesn't look like we can actually get into the front of it. Alright, let's go check out some more. Alright, so it looks like we have the holding tanks for the fuel. Looks like you had the diesel, unleaded, Power Supreme, lots of diesel. Diesel number 2, of course. And look at those, just sitting out here, rotting away. Pretty crazy. Looks like you had an old U-Haul here too. That sucker has burned up. Old U-Haul. And something smells pretty freaking bad. Like death. Oh yeah, this is all of their paperwork. All their taxes probably. Fuel invoices. All burned away. Crazy. Let's check out some more. Alright, so up now, back here in the bag, probably the mechanic shop. Looks like J&M tires, oil change and truck wash, oil, lube, brakes and seals. Huge shop building. Oh yeah, 3 huge bay doors. Looks like this was probably the truck wash here. And this was definitely the mechanic shop. It's like you got, oh yeah, all underground. Still got a lot of old used oil here. Mechanics area, offices. Looks like he actually had an old freezer here too. And a single boot. Man, all just left here. Alright, here we go. Here's the OSHA and the equal employment. So let's look for a year. This would have been for the year 2013. So it's not that old. Look at the minimum wage. $7.20 frickin' 5. Crazy. So here's the shop. All the numbers for the fuel they would change out. All still sitting here. So there's the office desk. So if you had a bathroom back here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Little dream catcher. Lots of dream catchers. They must have sold them here. Pretty crazy. Let's go see if we can find some more. Focus. There we go. So here's the outside of it. On the other side, look at that huge old camera. Hilarious. No trespassing. Craig, get it? You're gonna learn one of these days. And as always, a single shoe. I think this is the most hilarious thing ever. How bad is your life that you just lose one single shoe? Jeez. It's hilarious. I think let's go see the end of it here. There's the old holding tanks over there. Water, all that good stuff. Yeah, this is just the back lot where all the trucks would park at night. Not much to it. Yeah, this is the back. Got a big, well, there's an RV dump right here. Dump all your poo. You got a holding tank over there. This truck stop is huge. Let's go see what else we can get ourselves into. Alright. Up here on the back of the property, looks like we got ourselves some CAT certified scales. This of course is where the trucks would weigh themselves to make sure they're not over limit. I know this firsthand because I've been over limit on the road in a truck. And it's a nice ticket. Puts you out of service for 10 hours, and depending on the officer, wherever you're at, if you're overweight, it's their discretion how much they want to fine you. But usually they're pretty stiff, fines are. Pretty cool. Here you go. J&M tires, the express lube. Get the burnt down U-Haul. Get the holding tanks for fuel. You got the store, restaurant, truckers lounge, showers, all that good stuff. Offices. You got the diesel fuel island. Here you got the old CAT scales, and then you got the other ones, regular fuel pumps in the very front way over there. Let's get a little drone footage. Alright guys, looks like that is just about it. Pretty cool little adventure. Pretty cool abandoned place. We are at the abandoned Shell truck stop on 111 over here in El Centro, California. Lot to see here. Wish I could get inside, but it's all boarded up. And I don't need any po-po, any police over here arresting me or giving me a ticket. So there you have it. And I'm gonna guess, at one time, this old truck stop here used to be thriving. But now, literally, concrete, becoming dust in the wind. Alright guys, thank you for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, give that like button a big old thumbs up. And if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, from the abandoned Shell truck stop, El Centro, California, off the 111. We will see you soon. And take care.